Introduction. Welcome, medical students, to today's lecture on biochemistry. In this session, we will explore the intricacies of various biochemical processes within the human body. As future healthcare professionals, it is essential for you to have a comprehensive understanding of these fundamental concepts to effectively diagnose and treat patients. Now, let us delve into our first topic, which is an overview of biochemistry. Biochemical processes form the foundation of life, as they are responsible for maintaining homeostasis, facilitating metabolism, and transmitting genetic information. At the molecular level, biochemistry encompasses the study of proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids, the building blocks of life. One crucial aspect of biochemistry is enzymology. Enzymes are biocatalysts that facilitate chemical reactions by lowering the activation energy required for a reaction to occur. Various classes of enzymes, such as hydrolyses, ligases, and oxidoreductases, play crucial roles in metabolic pathways. Another fundamental concept is the structure and function of proteins. Proteins are composed of amino acids, which are linked together by peptide bonds. Each protein has a unique three-dimensional structure, which determines its function. Proteins participate in a wide range of cellular processes, including signal transduction, transport, and immune response. Metabolism refers to the sum of all chemical reactions that occur within an organism. It can be divided into two main processes, catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism involves the breakdown of complex molecules into simpler ones, releasing energy in the process. Anabolism, on the other hand, is the synthesis of complex molecules from simpler ones, requiring energy input. The primary source of energy for cellular processes is adenosine triphosphate, ATP. ATP is generated through cellular respiration, which includes glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. These interconnected processes occur in various cellular compartments, such as the cytoplasm and mitochondria. Molecular genetics focuses on the study of DNA, RNA, and their roles in heredity and genetic expression. DNA, the double-stranded molecule, contains the genetic code necessary for the development and functioning of all organisms. Genes, segments of DNA, encode specific proteins and regulatory elements. The process of gene expression involves transcription, where DNA is converted into RNA, and translation, where RNA is used to synthesize proteins. Regulation of gene expression is essential for maintaining cell differentiation and responding to environmental cues. Various factors such as transcription factors, enhancers, and repressors intricately control this process. Cellular signaling encompasses the communication between cells and their surroundings. Signaling molecules, such as hormones, neurotransmitters, and growth factors, initiate and modulate these intricate pathways. Receptor proteins on the cell surface or within the cytoplasm transmit and amplify signals, leading to cellular responses. These signaling pathways play a critical role in various physiological processes, including development, immune response, and metabolism. Dysregulation of signal transduction can contribute to the development of diseases, such as cancer and neurodegenerative disorders. Biochemical techniques form the backbone of research in the field of biochemistry. Scientists rely on various methodologies to isolate, purify, and study biomolecules. Techniques such as chromatography, electrophoresis, spectrophotometry, and mass spectrometry enable the identification and characterization of molecules with high precision. Additionally, molecular cloning techniques allow the replication and manipulation of genetic material, facilitating further studies on specific genes or proteins. Understanding biochemistry is crucial for comprehending the underlying mechanisms of various disorders. Inborn errors of metabolism, such as phenylketonuria and glycogen storage diseases, result from deficiencies in specific enzymes, leading to the accumulation of toxic metabolites. These disorders often present with unique clinical manifestations and require specialized diagnostic and therapeutic approaches. Pharmacokinetics refers to the study of how drugs are absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and eliminated by the body. Biochemical reactions, primarily catalyzed by enzymes in the liver, modify drugs into metabolites that can be excreted. Understanding drug metabolism is essential for optimizing drug dosage regimens and predicting potential drug interactions. Biochemistry plays a vital role in understanding the relationship between nutrition and health. Nutrients, such as carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, provide the energy required for cellular processes. Additionally, essential vitamins and minerals serve as cofactors in enzymatic reactions, ensuring proper physiological functions. Many diseases have an underlying biochemical basis. Disorders such as diabetes, cancer, and cardiovascular diseases are associated with metabolic dysregulation. Studying the biochemistry of these diseases aids in the development of targeted therapies and preventive strategies. Biochemical research continually strives to uncover new knowledge and advancements. Techniques such as genetic engineering, gene therapy, and targeted drug delivery have revolutionized medicine. Additionally, emerging fields such as proteomics, metabolomics, and systems biology provide novel insights into complex biological processes. As we explore the remarkable depths of biochemistry, it is essential to also consider the ethical implications of scientific discoveries. Bioethical considerations guide researchers and medical practitioners in making responsible decisions, ensuring the well-being of individuals and society as a whole. The field of biochemistry is ever evolving, and future advancements hold great promise. Further integration of biochemistry with other disciplines, such as genetics, immunology, and computational biology, will unlock new avenues for research and innovation. Embracing interdisciplinary collaboration will propel biochemistry into unprecedented heights of knowledge and application. In conclusion, biochemistry is a captivating field that underpins our understanding of life at a molecular level. It provides insights into the intricacies of cellular processes, disease mechanisms, and therapeutic interventions. As medical professionals, your grasp of biochemistry will be invaluable in diagnosing, treating, and preventing diseases effectively. Embrace the complexities of this discipline, for it holds the key to unraveling the mysteries of life itself.